Welcome you all students, come back to our next video. In previous class we have learnt about the effects of force. In that we have seen force can cause motion, force can increase the speed, force can decrease speed, force can change the direction of motion, force can change shape and its size, and finally the unit of force. Have you all remember what's the unit of force? The unit of force is Newton, which is denoted by the symbol N. Okay, students, today we are going to see about the contact force. Before entering into a topic, we just recall some of the new words. Some of the new words like contact, C-O-N-T-A-C-T, contact. Trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Tension, T-E-N-S-I-O-N, tension. Tug, T-U-G, tug. String, S-T-R-I-N-G, string. So these are some of the new words, child. Now we are going to see about the contact force. First we see about meaning of contact force. What is meant by contact force? Contact force or force that act between the two objects that are physically touching each other. Which means contact force or force, this will act only between the two objects when they are physically touching each other. So physically touching each other is known as the contact force. Definition: a force which can be exerted by an object on another object only through physical touching is called a contact force. When an object can be exerted on another object only through the physical touching is called the contact force. So now we understand what is meant by contact force. When one object can be exerted on another object only to the physical touching is called the contact force. So there must be contact between one object and another object to the physical touching is known as the contact force. For examples, muscular force, frictional force. So, force, we already know that two bodies interact each other is known as the force. Here, when bodies in contact with each other is called the contact force, and bodies not in contact with each other is called as the non-contact force. For example, we can riding a bicycle. Here a man is contact with this cycle. So this is known as the contact force. Then what is meant by non-contact force? Which is not contact with the bodies with each other is known as the non-contact force. Now we are going to see the contact force. Some of the examples of contact force were, why? There will be a table and there will be keeping a glass of water. And a boy can be standing near the table. Here, a boy lifting the glass. So what is happening here? Hand is contact with the glass. So this is an example for contact force. Another example. Here, one boy is kicking the football to the another boy who is standing opposite to her. So here, foot is in contact with the football. This is an example for contact force. Another example. Here, one boy is moving the desk. So what is happening here? Your hand is in contact with the desk. So this is an example for contact force. So have you remember what is meant by contact force? When physical touch through an object exerted on another object is known as the contact force. Here, sometimes we apply a contact force on something without touching an object directly. For example, we can attach a string to a toy car and pull the string to make the car move. We apply a force on the string and the string applies the force on the car. This type of contact force applied by a string, wire or thin rod is called the tension. Tension acts along the rope from which a bucket hangs in a well, or the wire from which a lamp hangs, or the rope that is pulled by two teams in a tug of war. Yes, we can know. Here tension means not which is happening to the stress. Here tension means it is known as the surface tension. We can already know. In our smallhood age, we also played with a toy car by using the string. When we hang a string in backside of the car and when we pull it, it will be move. So here, contact force or something without touching it directly. So the car will be move. So here, the rope that is pulled by two teams in a tug of war. This will cause a contact force to move a car which is applied as a tension. And there is an example for the contact force. However, all forces are not the contact force. When there is a contact force and there will be the opposite for non-contact force. So what is by non-contact force? Bodies that do not contact with another objects is known as the non-contact force. For example, here we can take a leaf falling from a tree moves downwards because it is pulled by the earth. This pull acts even though the leaf is not in contact with the earth. There are other some such forces that act between the two bodies that are not in contact, but we will here this can be discussed in another chapter. Okay students, so now we see about what is the contact force and what is non-contact force. So what is meant by the force? Force means which can be acts and exerts which can be applied. And what is meant by contact force? Contact force means one object can be exerted and another object to the physical contact is known as the contact force. When there is no physical contact, then it is known as the non-contact force. And some of the examples were a boy taking the glass of water, a hand is contact with the glass, and kicking the football, and moving the desk are some of the examples for the contact force. And for the non-contact force, we can take the examples of leaf falling from the tree. Okay students, I hope that you are clear and understand about the topic of contact force. Now, here are some of your worksheet. Define contact force and write any two examples for contact force other than what I say in this video. You need to write any two examples of real life other than which is saying in the video. Okay students? I see you in the next video students. Thank you students.